Hello everyone, we are Group 5 from ISM 4133. My name is Sydney and I'll be presenting with Nick and Adrian. For our project, we interviewed Danny Durns, a senior consultant, and how we planned a dashboard based on the insights we gained from that interview.
Bravo Consulting is an information technology company founded in 2013 by Jared Beck. The company offers a range of services that helps organizations with their cloud services, cybersecurity, and data protection. Bravo enhances organization systems using tools like Microsoft SharePoint and Power Platform, making it easier for companies to share information and automate tasks. We selected Bravo Consulting because the information technology field is one that is seen across the world. Being students in a information systems management class, we can look to companies like Bravo who partner with Cisco that are leaders in the information technology field. Bravo Consulting's top competitors are Adapture, SecureView, and WholeStack. All of these companies offer similar service to Bravo when it comes to managed services.
Here we have the organizational chart from Bravo Consulting. Starting at the top, Jared is the president of the company. Reporting to him is Brian, the director of services. Under Brian, we have Jonathan, the professional services lead. And finally, on the bottom left, we see our interviewee, Danny, who works as a senior consultant. This chart helps us understand where Danny's position fits in within the overall structure of the organization.
We have conducted a SWOT analysis about Bravo Consulting to identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the company. Bravo Consulting is widely known across the world for its strengths and what it provides to its customers. They have a powerful partnership with Cisco, which has designations within the program that include Premier Advisor and Advanced Security Architecture, and it demonstrates a high level of expertise in selling and designing. Technical expertise in niche cybersecurity, Bravo Consulting has over 800 Cisco ISE deployments, which is more than any other competitor in that space, along with offerings in Zero Trust Network Access, also known as ZTNA. Bravo Consulting has a very strong reputation in the industry due to its high quality results and is very trusted by its clients. Lastly, they have a very flexible work environment. Both on-site and remote services are offered, letting clients choose how they want to receive service that best suits their needs. Just like any other company, Bravo Consulting has weaknesses that other consulting companies may not experience. Bravo is a small company that only has 28 to 50 employees. The company does rely too much on Cisco technology for business operations. Although Cisco technology is great for the growth of the company, if the market were to shift, they have no alternatives to help the company stay competitive. For Bravo, limited resources are an issue. The company struggles to produce larger projects due to its lack of resources, which can result in the quality of work suffering, as it would lead to consultants making more errors. As well, a sudden change in demand could result in lost business opportunities. Bravo, being a small company, an increase in demand will make it difficult to handle the workload due to the lack of resources and staff in the company. Bravo has several opportunities that help the company stand out amongst its competitors. Bravo collaborates with tech companies like Cisco, Microsoft, and AWS for their expertise and expanded service offerings. The company uses new and upcoming technologies like artificial intelligence, also known as AI, to offer innovative solutions. Cross-selling. Bravo does a great job offering cross-selling opportunities to its clients. This will not only support the company's growth, but also increase client satisfaction. The increase in cyber threats creates more consulting opportunities for Bravo because businesses need to respond to incidents using security technology to protect client data. Lastly, threats. Every company faces threats, but Bravo Consulting is exposed to several specific and significant risks. Competitors. Other consulting companies similar to Bravo will offer similar service, but will be cheaper to persuade clients. To compete, Bravo needs to show why its services are worth more, such as better quality or stronger results. Top consultants could be hired by larger firms because they offer more pay, making it harder for Bravo to keep its best talent. A single failed project could affect the credibility of the company because clients would lose trust in the company, making it harder to keep or gain new business.
Mission statement. At Bravo Consulting, we believe that cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. Our mission is to simplify the complexities of securing your network while empowering your organization to achieve unmatched cyber resilience. With over 800 successful Cisco ISC deployments, we've deployed more than any other competitor, cementing our position as the undisputed leader in the space. Our expertise extends to zero trust network access and microsegmentation, delivering cutting-edge solutions that protect your most crucial assets. Innovation drives us. We proudly introduced the industry's first co-managed ISC and SDA service, setting a new standard for flexibility and collaboration in network management. Now moving on to the opportunity statement. Purpose and audience. The purpose of the co-managed ISC dashboard is to provide the customer, IT and security teams, as well as Bravo support team a centralized view of the ISC operations. It makes it easy to ensure the system is functioning efficiently, it is secure and healthy, while also allowing for the reduced need of manually checking multiple tools or reports. Key metrics and data. The dashboard needs to track the following key performance indicators: system status, authentication login success or failures, software versions and patch levels, certificate standing and expiration alerts, security alerts and unusual activity, endpoint devices on network status, policy compliance and abnormalities, and configuration modifications. Existing process. As of right now, the current process of monitoring ISC is a manual or fragmented process. As mentioned before, teams must rely on multiple tools and reports, which can be time-consuming and ultimately lead to unnecessary delays. Important issues like misconfigurations or expired certificates may not be identified fast, leading to the increased risk of downtime or security gaps. Collaboration between Bravo and the customer is reactive, often based on periodic reports rather than real-time insights. Scope and requirements. The dashboard should pull all important ISC information into one screen, allow Bravo team and customer to view the data, be secure, access controls and activity logs, send alerts out for issues before it becomes a problem, be able to work with other monitoring tools if needed, handle multiple sites or environments, and keep a record of past data for reporting and trends.
Finally, moving on to the preliminary project plan. Our project plan is structured over a 6-month timeline. In month 1, we'll focus on identifying stakeholders, defining the project scope, and gathering input from our industry consultant, Mr. Durrance. For months 2 and 3 are dedicated to requirements gathering and building design mockups for 2 dashboards, the customer data dashboard and the service lifestyle dashboard. In month 4, we'll present those designs to stakeholders and refine them based on feedback. Month 5 will focus on creating detailed documentation, including specifications, lifestyle processes, and user guidelines. Finally, in month 6, we'll finalize deliverables, prepare presentation materials, and present the solution to management. Here you can see our timeline visualized into a chart. Each phase flows into the next, showing how the work builds progressively. The overlapping tasks in months 2 and 3 illustrate how the requirements gathering and designs will work in tandem. So breaking this down further, our work breakdown structure highlights 5 key phases. Phase 1 is initiation, where we identify stakeholders and define scope. Phase 2 is requirements gathering, focusing on interviews and customer and endpoint needs. Phase 3 is dashboard design, where mock-ups for both dashboards are drafted and refined. Phase 4 is documentation, producing system specifications and user guidelines. And finally, Phase 5 is finalization and presentation, where we complete the charts and compile all deliverables and present our findings through a report, slides, and video. Altogether, this plan ensures Bravo Consulting receives a structured, detailed, and actionable roadmap to deliver these dashboards successfully.